Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Misha. Happy New Year. Today I'm going to show you how I make this perfect fried chicken. You won't need another recipe, so make sure you tune in and make this fried chicken recipe. So to my clean chicken, I'm going to season it up with salt, pepper, cayenne, onion powder, garlic powder, and roasted chipotle chili powder. You can pretty much season your chicken how you want to, but I like this combination directly onto the chicken. Make sure you heavily season the chicken, except for the salt. Don't go too crazy. Y'all know y'all love some salt, but just don't go too crazy, you guys, all right? And that's my chili powder right there, the roasted chipotle chili powder. And you want to mix this up just like this. You want to pour until your ancestors tell you to stop. If you didn't hear nothing, you keep on going, okay? So you want to mix it up really, really well, just like I'm doing here. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like this. If your chicken don't look like this, pour some more. So the wet part of it is the 1 egg, some milk, and hot Swiss. Y'all know I don't make fried chicken without hot Swiss. So you want to mix this up. Beat it like it stole something, child. Beat it down, honey. You want to beat the egg into the milk. Next, you want to pour it right over the chicken just like this. And then you're going to allow that to marinate for about 2 hours or, 2 to 6 hours is totally fine. So I'm showing you guys the chicken. I might as well just show you the potato. This is a Caribbean potato that I got from the international market in the Caribbean aisle. But you can use the potato of your choice. I'm just going to slice it down the middle and boil it. Probably add some salt and pepper to it. It's no big deal. It's already flavored. It's slightly sweet and it's delicious. This is my favorite potato. So I'm just going to simmer it, boil it until it's tender. And that's it. That's pretty much it. So onto the flour mixture. Of course, you guys know I'm going to add my cornstarch and my spices. Now, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. I've made this chicken so many times, so I know when to stop and how much to put. But the exact measurements and perfect measurements will be in my description box. It's fail-proof. You can't mess it up. I added my cayenne, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper. You don't want to add chili powders and paprikas and things like that to the flour because then it's going to burn, So then I found some dried thyme in my cabinet, so I threw that in there for a little oomph. And you want to mix this up, and now I'm just going to dredge the chicken and get to frying. So you want to add your chicken down in here. Don't drain your chicken out too much. You want your chicken to be wet when you put it into your flour batter so it can adhere to the flour. This fried chicken recipe is so easy and simple. It's just one breading station recipe. And, someone's probably going to be like, well, how's that going to be crispy? Just watch and see, honey, okay? But, you have the egg, the milk, and the flour. So, of course, it's going to be crispy. So now I'm just going to add my chicken to my 375-degree oil. And you want to fry this up for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on how large or how small your pieces are. After 12 minutes, this is what my chicken looked like. And baby, period. Period. I'm telling you, it's fail-proof. I'm not joking, y'all. So this is what the chicken looks like right there in the back, perfectly fried and cooked through. I have my salad here ready to go. Just going to add my potato. Like I said, just add some salt and pepper. Keep it simple. And that's the chicken, you guys. Perfectly crispy, well seasoned. You can see the seasoning in the chicken. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support. Thank you for always supporting me and being patient with me. I love you guys, and I can't wait to update you really, really soon.